Hi, we are adding some hand guards, some protectors to our 2020 KLX 300R. And the right side looks pretty straightforward. On the right side, we removed the front brake lever pivot bolt and nut, both 10 millimeter. And the rest of the parts, I believe, come in the kit. Working on the left side, clutch side of our hand covers, and it calls for the removal of the upper clutch cable end, but we are going to remove the dust cover, the stock dust cover, just by cutting it off instead of disassembling the cable and trying to pull it out in one piece. We're never going to really put this back on, and it's not required after this kit is installed. So we decided to just cut it, remove it, and then move on to the assembly of the lever bolt and nut. Next, we remove the pivot bolt and pivot bolt nut. It's a 8 mil bolt, 10 mil nut to the new pivot bolt. And stock 10 mil nut gets put back from underneath. I have to put so 10 mil deep socket for the bottom locking nut, and 12 mil open end wrench for the pivot bolt to keep it in place. So once we have our spacer washer on the pivot bolt nut and line up the hand guard, proved to be a little bit tricky just because you have to flex the two arms once you've put the collar end onto the inside of the clutch adjuster locking nut. But once we've flexed it open a little bit, pulled it into position, then it kind of all slid into place. And we're able to put the top bolt on and also the bottom nut on. and we'll tighten these parts up, and the clutch lever side is done. That's it.